Now time for National. National is very good. It's a nice normal one. I'm not sure exactly what the design is called. There's the side. Gave it a nice clean up. So the plug was stuffed, but it's been fixed now. So just unplug. There we go. Sometimes it just needs a boost. There, now it's on. Two. Hi. This is the one I ordered off eBay. Works great. And for you people that don't like it, that thing, it's got to be perfectly straight. I'll make it straight. It wasn't perfect, it doesn't matter. It's only me seeing it anyway. Let's spin down. Bearings are still good, isn't it? Show you the speeds. And the louver shows how it's meant to be. So that's on stop right now. That's on move. Very simple to clean these. Just a few screws. You've got to wiggle it around a little bit. It comes off. Haven't worked out how to pull this front louver off yet. And the blade was very simple. Just get a pair of pliers and undo the nut. So it's also got that. I'll show you the model number. I don't know if I did that before. There we go. It's all down here. Yeah, it's made in Japan. I assume that's good quality. I don't actually know, because that's where everything's used to be made. Some things, anyway. Well, thanks for watching my